Before we open the floor for questions from the media, there are a couple of things that I would like to ask. And the first question I'd like to ask is to the director, to Sunil Sippy. So, when you see a script on paper, right, for a director, the vision and everything matters. Obviously, you must have gotten excited, but what got you on board? Like, you were like, this is it.
For me, I think it was the character of Noor. The way it was crafted, it was an everyday girl that represented the problems of anybody living at any time in modern times in our cities, you know? So for me, there was a lot of identification with her. And that was the germ of it. That was the basis of it. And then it just grew from there into how he dealt with the city of Mumbai, how he dealt with her friendships and things like that. But really, the core of it was the character. That's what drew me to it completely.
Ma'am, how are you? You're beaming.
Hi guys, thank you all for being here. First, you tell me how do you like it? Huh? Thank you, and I'm so glad that you all could be here with us today. And I'm just so overwhelmed right now because I connected to the character immediately when Sunil Sippy narrated it to me. I think before he reached down in my building, I called him and I told him, I'm doing this film. And to see it now on the big screen, to see it come out like this, turn out like this, I think it's such a good feeling. And I'm so glad that I could share it with all these wonderful people over here. And it's just, I'm just too over. I need to do something. Can you hold this? Yeah. Okay. Getting it all out.
Clearly very excited. Let's come to this man. Your pretentious movie reviews online, जहाँ आपने बहुत अच्छी बातें बोली हैं, they were a rage. And now you're a part of Hindi films.
Yes, the irony.
Sir, paradigm shift. Karan Gill.
Check. Oh, that's right. The irony is not lost on me, I realize. But yeah, when Sunil came, everybody got in touch for the part that I'm playing of Saad in the film. And
has he ever revealed
तुम्हें break किसने दिया, Karan?
So it actually really stuck her neck out for me. She was like, please take Karan, I think he'll be a good choice. And then she never let me forget it. She tells me every day, you have a role because I exist. So I like to thank Sonakshi for pushing for me. And I had a lot of fun doing the film, man. It was a crazy experience.
Like, then I'm in. Sign me up.
And now we come to the gentleman who turns everything into gold, Mr. Bhushan Kumar. Bhushan ji. Sir, last year, Airlift, I think you are the Midas, like how we Indians say, or Midas. Jo bhi aap chute hai, turns into gold. 11 films releasing this year. And आपने conscious effort जो है वो किया है कि content driven films जो हैं वही आप produce करेंगे. So नूर के लिए क्या सोच थी, decide किया आपने कि yes मैं तो ये produce कर रहा हूँ with Vikram?
See, one was Sonakshi Sinha, that's why, and the other was the person standing next to me. I strongly believe in his content sense. जिस तरीके से इन्होंने मेरे को बेबी propose करी थी और हमने produce करी थी साथ में, and then Airlift, now it is Noor. When I heard just the one line of it, तो इतनी relatable film लगी, and especially for the journalists, means they can relate to it. So all these real cinemas these days are working. People wants to connect with the real kind of films, and जो रोजमर्रा की जिंदगी में होता है, the people want to see that kind of movies. And now this one is blended with great music. Of course, you have seen the music की झलक आपने देखी है. So we are very excited at T-Series as a team to push this film to the till the release, and I guess everybody will love this film.
Vikram, Bhushan ji said एक line में he was convinced. वो क्या line थी? What was the one line that you told Bhushan ji about Noor? क्या थी वो line?
We should do this film together again.
But you have a stupendous track record of the films that you have
नजर मत
produced.
लगाओ यार.
नहीं मैं नहीं लगा रहा हूँ sir. लेकिन नूर देख के भी ऐसा लग रहा है you got a film on your hands which is going to garner a lot of accolades. क्या देखते हैं आप एक script में when you decide कि हाँ I want to be a part of this and I'm going to produce it? वो sense मतलब.
Firstly, Sonakshi thanked all of you for being here. Really appreciate the time that all of you take out. I know this commuting, carrying cameras, carrying your pads, phones, everything is a lot of effort. So thank you for coming out time and again for our films and supporting us. कोई secret formula नहीं है, Suren. What we look for in the stories that we back are the impact that they're going to create. उनकी एक relatability होनी चाहिए audience के साथ, younger audience के साथ, progressive audience के साथ, Bhushan ji touched about how people are now liking real stories, relatable stories. What we look for are storytellers like Sunil, talent like what is standing on this stage, people who understand and align themselves to the audience of today. And then when you go about that process, you know, you have people like Shikha who work so strongly and passionately on our content that we don't rest till it gets perfect shape. So really कोई secret formula नहीं है. सब लोगों को film पसंद आए, that is the only thing we keep in mind.
के लिए अब invite नहीं किया. So members of the media, this is your turn now. Shoot. If you could just raise your hand, I could just pinpoint. एक माइक आपकी तरफ हम भिजवा देते हैं.
आवाज बड़ी बुलंद है,
हाँ.
but for
फिर
the
भी.
cameras we'll let you have a mic.
Can a mic reach this
Yeah.
lady here, please?
हाँ, सोनाक्षी स्टोरी के लिए जो हर रोज हम लोग लड़ते हैं उसका प्रेशर आपने कैसे महसूस किया और कितना मजा आया आपको?
I told you. ये होगा.
Honestly, मैंने आप सबसे ही सीखा है. आपके साथ इतनी इंटरेक्शन हुई है पिछले कुछ सालों में कि आई हैड टू अप्लाई अ लॉट ऑफ दैट. एंड नूर एक्चुअली एक ऐसी लड़की है, एक ऐसी जर्नलिस्ट है जो स्टोरीज उसे करनी है, वो उसे करने का मौका नहीं मिल रहा है और वो उसके लिए लड़ती है. तो उसे आप जैसे यहाँ आई हैं सोनाक्षी सिन्हा का इंटरव्यू लेने, उससे नहीं जाना फिल्म सिटी किसी का इंटरव्यू लेने, उसे जाना है, उसे रिपोर्ट करना है अबाउट द सुएज वर्कर्स की सैलरी और कितने लोग ट्रेन ट्रैक्स पे मर गए. तो असली स्टोरीज जो यू नो हमारे शहर के बारे में, द सिटी दैट शी रियली लव्स, मुंबई, उसके बारे में वो उसे रिपोर्ट करना है. तो वो एक स्ट्रगल उसका वहाँ पर जारी है. एंड ऑनेस्टली जितना मैंने अप्लाई किया है, मेरी जर्नलिज्म की जो नॉलेज है वो सब मुझे आप सबसे ही मिली है. तो थैंक यू फॉर बीइंग माय टीचर्स फॉर दिस फिल्म एंड इट रियली हेल्प्ड इंटरैक्टिंग विद ऑल यू गाइज.
Sonakshi knows just
No,
to get
I meet you all the time. I think, no, actually I feel all the credit for the way that I portrayed Noor, मेरे director सुनील सिप्पी को जाता है. इन्होंने इतनी अच्छी तरह से, you know, वो कैरेक्टर को मुझे समझाया. हमारे राइटर्स को जाता है जिन्होंने इतने अच्छी तरह से ये कैरेक्टर को लिखा है कि आई रियली इट वाज जस्ट very clearly laid out to me and I really didn't have to do much homework. So thank you guys for saving me in that department.
And Sunil, why Sonakshi? Why did you have it?
Hey, why not?
There was just nobody else for this. She was absolutely perfect. There was no question of anybody else. We didn't talk to anybody else. I just knew that she was absolutely perfect for it. There was just no doubt in my mind. And I'm really, really thrilled. And I mean, as an actor, I mean, I had everything on a plate for me. It was an absolute joy. It was a great decision from the team, from everybody. And yeah, just very happy.
Hi, Sonakshi. Congratulations
hi,
to you and the entire team.
Thank you, sir.
Could you tell us your name also, please?
Yeah, my name is Sohail. I'm a freelancer. You're looking great, especially your facial expression जो है, we liked it actually. पूछना है कि कभी ऐसे रियल जिंदगी में ऐसा हुआ जैसे कि फिल्म में कभी आपने बताया कोई स्टोरी फाइल करे और किसी के लिए वो डिस्टर्बिंग था, तो कभी ऐसे आपके लिए हुआ है कि someone has written something or showed something which has really disturbed you? You would like to say something on it?
मैं गिनती भूल गई हूँ कितनी बार ये हुआ है. बट आई थिंक इट्स ऑल पार्ट एंड पार्सल ऑफ द प्रोफेशन दैट वी आर इन. आई थिंक ठीक है, जो होता है अच्छे के लिए होता है एंड आई थिंक यू हैव टू हैव द स्ट्रेंथ टू मूव ऑन फ्रॉम ऑल ऑफ इट. बट नथिंग सो सीरियस. एक यू नो टाइम आती है नूर की लाइफ में जहाँ पर शी रियलाइजेज दैट शी इज़ नॉट बिन रिस्पॉन्सिबल इनफ और वो किस तरह से उस चीज़ को करेक्ट करने की कोशिश करती है. एंड आई थिंक इट्स अ वेरी ब्यूटिफुल कमिंग ऑफ एज स्टोरी ऑफ दिस गर्ल. ये उसकी जर्नी है. इट्स ऑल फन एंड गेम्स दैट स्टार्ट इन द बिगिनिंग. शी इज़ नॉट वेरी सीरियस, बट फिर कैसे वो अपने लाइफ को अपने हाथों में लेती है. एंड यू नो हाउ इट्स जस्ट हर जर्नी एंड इट्स अ ब्यूटिफुल जर्नी. आई थिंक आप, मैं, हर कोई यहाँ पर हैज़ एट सम पॉइंट ऑफ time gone through that journey जहाँ पर you know we've had gone through a certain situation that has changed us. और I think that is very relatable. वो आप भी देख के शायद relate कर पाएंगे and hopefully ऐसी stories नहीं लिखेंगे.
जैसे भूषण जी ने कहा कि वेरी रियलिस्टिक है. एनीथिंग पर्टिकुलर लाइक यू जस्ट ट्राइंग टू शो समथिंग जो रियली मैसेज भी एक पोर्ट्रे कर रहा है
बहुत एक्चुअली बहुत ही ज़्यादा रियलिस्टिक है एंड आप आई डोंट थिंक आई वांट टू रिवील मच ऑफ इट अभी, क्योंकि जितना आपने ट्रेलर में देखा है वो अभी के लिए काफ़ी है, बट धीरे धीरे जाके आपको पता चलेगा और जब आप फिल्म देखेंगे तभी आपको पता चलेगा कि व्हाट वाज द एक्चुअल सिचुएशन दैट नूर वाज गोइंग थ्रू.
Yeah, how is Mumbai for you actually? It's Mumbai is killing you actually. ऐसे लिखा है.
Mumbai is, I think, for all of us, Mumbai is a city with which we are so connected to. I've been born and brought up over here. It's. I would not, think of being anywhere else. And there are certain things that happen in our city, not only our city, every city. Anybody who lives in Bangalore, who lives in Calcutta, who lives in Delhi, will have certain problems that they are not okay with, which is happening to their city. And everybody wants to make a difference. Noor is one of those people, and she loves her city, and that's why she wants to change it for the better. And that is what we're trying to show in the